only three exist. This is not just a car, it is the ultimate expression of automotive art.
Horacio Pagani didn't just build a car, he crafted a masterpiece where every bolt tells a story.
The Barchetta spirit, a nod to the racing legends of the 1950s, reinvented for the modern era.
Blue-tinted carbon fiber, a signature of the HP Barchetta, blending strength with ethereal beauty.
The partially covered rear wheels, an aerodynamic choice that defines its avant-garde profile.
Pure, unfiltered mechanical beauty. Every shift is a tactile celebration of engineering. The soul of the beast, a 7.3-liter naturally aspirated V12, tuned to absolute perfection.
An interior that bridges the gap between old-world luxury and space-age performance.
The signature Pagani exhaust, the megaphone for one of the greatest V12 symphonies ever.
From a blank page to a multi-million-dollar icon, a dream realized by sheer will.
Stepping out of the Atelier is a moment of pure magic, a rare sight even in Italy.
The Zonda was supposed to end years ago, yet it continues to captivate the world. An analog interface for a driver who demands connection to the machine.
Ergonomics pushed to the limit, ensuring the driver feels every millisecond of power.
A piece of modern art parked in the cradle of history.
Functional aerodynamics designed to look like the wings of a predator. Underneath, it's a race car disguised as a luxury hypercar.
To look at a Zonda is to witness the evolution of hypercar design.
The acoustics of a tunnel reveal the true, raw power of the AMG V12.
Carbon ceramic stopping power, ensuring that such beauty never goes unchecked.
Everything here is a tactile delight. Nothing is hidden, everything is celebrated.
It defies time. Despite its age, the Zonda design language remains the benchmark.
The perfection you see is the result of thousands of hours of manual labor. Respecting the past while boldly defining the future of speed.
Protecting a $17 million investment requires the hands of a surgeon.
It breathes like a living organism, a mechanical beast in its natural habitat. Symmetry, proportion, and balance, the holy trinity of Pagani design. It doesn't just drive, it tears through the fabric of the road.
The ultimate reward, the feeling of being one with the machine.
Luxury is in the details that you only discover when you take the time to look.
Even in the worst conditions, the HP Barchetta stands as a beacon of elegance. The awakening, a ritual that every enthusiast dreams of experiencing.
A chassis balanced so finely, it responds to the driver's very heartbeat.
The ceremony begins with the key, a collector's item in its own right.
It belongs on a track, but it was born to rule the streets. Beauty in motion, a phrase often used, but rarely proven like this. The care for an HP Barchetta is a full-time commitment to preservation.
It is compact, It is wide and it is overwhelmingly present.
To see one is to change your perspective on what a car can be.
Jewelry for the road. Pagani doesn't do utilitarian.
La Dolce Vita, amplified to 11 by 12 cylinders.
Time seems to stand still when you are sitting in a Zonda. A place of honor for a car that changed everything.
The connection between the lever and the transmission is direct and unadulterated.
Shifting colors under the sun, a chameleon with a heart of steel.
There is a soul in the stitching that machines just cannot replicate.
The Zonda is the ancestor, the foundation on which all Pagani greatness stands. Maintenance isn't just servicing, it's a labor of love.
It conquered the road, but its spirit was born on the drawing board.
Every touchpoint is engineered for the driver's absolute control. A silhouette that will be remembered long after internal combustion has faded.
The machine cools down, but the fire it ignited in the soul remains.
You never truly leave a Zonda behind. You carry the memory with you.
A machine that conquers landscapes and hearts alike.
3. That is the final number. Exclusivity made manifest.
The perfect end to a perfect drive. The gear clicks into place.
Twilight, the moment where the car looks most like a spacecraft.
The king of the garage sleeps, waiting for the dawn.
In the world of supercars, Pagani has earned its place at the top table. A mechanical work of art that demands respect.
The Zonda HP Barchetta, the zenith of the Pagani story.
Thank you for joining us. Keep the passion for engineering alive. Obsession with detail is what separates a car from a legend.
Every detail here is intentional. Every line, a decision.
Precision in every metric, from tires to trim.
Technology designed to serve the driver's vision.
Handcrafted comfort, designed for long hours of driving bliss. A cathedral dedicated to the art of the automobile.
It's not just an engine, it's a heartbeat made of metal.
The heart of the driving experience is the manual connection.
Commanding the road, conquering the heights.
Tested to satisfy the most demanding of masters.
A symbol of excellence that needs no introduction.
When the pedal hits the floor, the world goes silent.
Capturing the sky, bringing it down to the pavement.
The cockpit transforms as the sun goes down.
The final touch. The polished finish of perfection.
This was the Zonda HP Barchetta, a story of obsession, art, and the road.